welcome back to my vlog. Today's question is, how many times a week should I be doing Pilates to see a difference? So I do get asked this question a lot, and I'm going to give you the answer, but before I give you the answer, what I want to say is the most important thing about doing Pilates is not really how many times you do it to get a result. It's about getting into it as a lifestyle, making it something that you look forward to, that you really enjoy, and just makes you feel good inside and out, because I think that's the most important thing. That's certainly what I get from it. I love the fact that I can feel good in my body and I can feel fit and healthy, but more than that, I like the other benefits of it, the social side of it, the fact that it makes me feel good mentally, my emotional health feels better, I feel calmer, I feel less stress when I've done a class. So think about that as a goal rather than I'm going to do it X amount of times a week to get X amount of inches off my waist or whatever it is that you're looking for. But the answer to it is really, my recommendation anyway, is if you really want to see some difference in your body in terms of muscle tone and flexibility, then you need to be doing it at least 3 times a week. So that's 3 sessions a week for you to see a difference. If you're doing the online YouTube videos that I post, I've got videos of different lengths, so you could do 3, 4, 10-minute workouts a week, and then maybe do one of my longer ones. I've got a half-hour one on there, which you can do as well. So I would have a think about that, but yes, you want to be aiming for 3 times a week. 3 times a week you will see a difference in your body, you will feel a difference, and you will certainly be on your way to just feeling much better in yourself. And there is a well-known saying that it is said, Joseph Pilates said himself, which was, in 10 sessions you'll feel the difference, in 20 sessions you'll see the difference, and in 30 sessions you'll be on your way to a whole new body. Now, I don't advocate, I'm going to get this type of body by doing Pilates. I really am a believer in doing things because you really enjoy them and they make you feel good. So why not have a think about that? Have a think about the fact that you're doing Pilates because you want to be fitter and healthier, but you're doing it also because you just want it to be more of a lifestyle, more of a kind of day-to-day feeling good in your body. I think that's the way I like to look at it. I'm in my 50s now. When I was in my 20s, it was all about having bikini body and being fit and healthy and, having the perfect physique and all that stuff. But you know what? That is a load of rubbish. And I say to anyone, do not think of yourself like that. No one can have the perfect body. Everyone has imperfections. And I have imperfections. I have many imperfections. But I love moving and I love the way it makes me feel. And that's why I do it. All right, so I hope that helped. I was rambling a bit, wasn't I? But I hope that helped you understand a little bit about my approach to Pilates and the fact it's there to make you feel good. And all I would add to that is, if there's any questions you would like answered, then you can send me a message, a comment on any of my videos, or send me a little message and request for a vlog, and I will do an answer for you in a vlog. Anyway, I hope that helped. I'm wishing you a wonderful day wherever you are, and I look forward to seeing you again soon. All right, take care. Bye-bye.